Welcome to my channel, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. So let's immediately hop into this oil infusion video. You guys, I'm mixing and matching a lot of different herbs. I got rosemary, eucalyptus, stinging nettle leaf, lavender, all types of herbs that are beneficial for your hair. I'll leave in the description box some of the beneficial aspects of each and every one of these herbs. There are several, right? And for my carrier oil, I am using, what is this? Extra virgin olive oil and some coconut oil. Oh, and this, what I'm squeezing in this measuring cup right now is glycerin. I don't know if you guys remember, but in my rose and aloe vera water, I also include glycerin to help with moisture, to help maintain the moisture. Remember? Cool. So actually at work, I did a presentation on how to infuse oil, and it actually went over really well. So I thought I'd make a video to teach you guys how to do it, or to just send you my way at www.riahsafari.com and get yourself a bottle that I will be selling on my site, you guys. So let me just go ahead and tell you what's going to be happening. I want to start infusing oils and get more into that realm and being able to offer it to you guys. So since this is my first batch, it will be at a highly discounted rate. Now, I may do some type of deal, like if you buy an oil-resistant bonnet, you get a free bottle of oil, but I'm not sure yet, so do not hold me to it. But please know that it's going to be highly discounted for the first few batches. I will definitely do like a lot of different variations of the herbs I use, and maybe even the carrier oil I use. But like I said, this was the first batch, and I actually used this on my hair as well, and it was great. I loved it. But of course I did, because I made it. I knew exactly what I was putting into it. Now I put it in a crock pot because I am doing something called the quick heat method. And that's essentially where you heat up the oils and you're extracting like all the beneficial compounds that way. For this first batch, yes, I will be doing that way, but I'm also doing another method called cold infuse. Now, that is the most beneficial, the very most potent of the two. However, this one is good, too, because I did not really disturb the herbs or the oil, because I kept this on the keep warm setting. So I was not boiling. I was not frying up no oils or herbs during this method. So, yeah, I just talked a lot right then. So just sit back and enjoy this video. Oh, almost forgot to tell you. These herbs was cooking in this crock pot for 24 hours. Yes, I prepped everything before going to work. And yes, I left it on while I was at work. Do not try this at home, kids. Do not. And yes, I left this on while I was sleeping. Again, kids, do not try this at home. Okay, let me do it. Just come buy my oil. I'll be the crash test dummy for everyone. Okay, so just come on to my shop and get the oil, so you don't have to put yourself, your house, or none of that in danger. Okay. Here, I'm just about to strain the oil. This is I'm using a cheesecloth, but you can use a mesh colander, or you can use a reusable milk nut bag. Whatever floats your boat. I will definitely be using a milk nut bag soon. It is in my Amazon cart as we speak, because it just seems easier. So yeah, again, just sit back, relax, and watch.
nasty up and them nasty up. Fix things, fix things. Well, alright then. Can you see me a cleanest? Those when me rocking at the fucking realest. Ching ching. In a the Louis V vest. Girl want with his real silica and real bless. And a blow breeze for the head of the penis. Two less breeze that me rocking a sleeveless. Ease out, ease out. Look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I've been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. Folk flow down, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. The fucking industry is cutthroat. I'm not the same, man. And I can let you check the tag. Now I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing after bags. Now I got a game plan, and I'm out here with the 700 3i5s. Look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side.
Alrighty guys, and here we have the oil that I made. So the big jar, that's with obviously me straining the herbs, and here I still have the herbs inside because I want to leave it in here to see how much more nutrients, see how much more of the fatty acids and everything that I can pull out of this oil. And here the majority of this base was coconut oil, so I'm honestly just trying to see, will it solidify on me? Because it is still mixed with olive oil. So we're doing a little experimentation. But now it is time to let's use it on my hair. So the first thing I'm doing is, of course, going inside my hair and just spraying it down a little bit. And I have not, did not get my oil applicator bottles in yet. So I went to Target and got a little spray bottle and I'm just oiling my scalp. I actually like the little spray bottle. To be honest, I didn't think I would, but it's not bad. It's not bad. It's not bad. I'm not even gonna hold you. I am really this is really gonna be a telltale sign for me, because this past week I've been using a different oil, right? And the carrier oil that is in that particular oil is soybean oil, and that's a pretty light oil. Now every other day I have to like oil my scalp because my scalp is dry after I oil it, like maybe 2 days later. And with this being extra virgin olive oil, I'm really hoping that it is a little thicker on my scalp and won't cause my hair to dry out as much. So yeah, I'll be back and tell y'all how that goes. Now I have to lay these edges, honey, because this hairstyle is a little older. So gotta lay the edges before I put on what? You know what I gotta put on after this scarf? My oil-resistant bonnet. Yes, sir. Don't worry, she coming up. And here she is. Cross stitch, cross stitch, cross stitch. Oil-resistant bonnet from Riah Safari. You guys have to go and get you one, especially if you get you some of this good oil I done infused. Shameless plug. go visit my site and get your aura resistant binder so you can look as good as me when you go to sleep and not mess up your sheets, your pillowcases, your couch. I hope you guys have a blessed week, safe week. Peace.